Let's talk about your books. This is your host, Lily Tran, enrolled agent and founder of TaxUsign, a virtual tax firm serving individual and small business clients across the United States. We provide dedicated professional tax assistance anywhere, anytime. You can find me on LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest at TaxUsign. I'll share my handles in the description. Here's another common tax mistakes made by small businesses. That is poor record keeping. First, I'm going to share a client story, ask you some questions, provide my recommendations, and finally, provide the next video topic. So let me start with a client story. When my client started her business, she wanted to save money. So she did her own bookkeeping, and she went and purchased the QuickBooks Online. So as her business grew, she was unable to spend more time on her bookkeeping. So she reached out and hired me as her bookkeeper. I did a QuickBooks Online file review, and her books were a complete mess. I advised her to fix and clean up her books, but she wanted to save her money and focus on today and moving forward. A couple years down the road, she was randomly selected for an audit by the Department of Revenue. The bookkeeping mess that she created, she received a letter from Department of Revenue saying that she owed more than $50,000 in taxes. She hired me to represent her before the Department of Revenue. I helped her save over $40,000 in taxes. This bookkeeping mess can be avoided by getting the proper training to learn to do your bookkeeping yourself or hiring a bookkeeper. Now let's talk about your books. I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil to answer the following questions. Question 1. Do you have an accounting system in place? Yes or no? Question 2. How do you track your income and expenses? Do you use Excel? Do you use Xero, QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop? Question 3. Do you have a business bank account? Are you separating your personal and business income and expenses? Question 4. How do you store your receipts? Do you use a shoebox? Are you using a file cabinet? Is your receipts laying around? Are they in your pocket? Question 5. Who is doing your bookkeeping? Are you doing your bookkeeping yourself, or do you have a bookkeeper? Here are my recommendations. If you answer no to the accounting system, I recommend that you get a system in place. You can use Xero or QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. I'll provide some links in the description. Having an accounting system in place will help you track your income and expenses, and it will help you know your net profit and loss for the month, the quarter, or the year. There is a lot of benefits using an accounting system. If you do not have a business bank account and you are commingling funds, you need to stop that right now. Go and open a business bank account and avoid commingling your funds. It's important to keep all your records. You need a place to store your receipts so that you can easily find your receipts when you are selected for an audit. If you want to know how long to keep your records, I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you save your receipts, deposit slips, invoices, bank statements, and other documentation to show your income and expenses. If you're doing your bookkeeping yourself and you need extra training, I recommend that you take the proper training to learn how to do it yourself bookkeeping. Some people think that when they purchase Xero or QuickBooks Online and they connect it to their bank account, they're all done. The reality is you need to take the time to classify your transaction and reconcile your accounts. And if you have payroll, you'll need to make year-end journal entries. Sometimes hiring a bookkeeper will save you time, money, and stress. In order to prepare a proper tax return, you need accurate records of books. Use a good accounting software to record your income and expenses. Again, I'll share the accounting system links in the description. To learn more about the common tax mistakes made by small businesses, I'm publishing a book and it will be available on Amazon. I will also share that link in the description. Come back next month and I'll be sharing a year-end tax tip video. This is Lily Tran, enrolled agent and founder of TaxDesign. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.